Everyone, day 13 to how to improve my English communication with English log. Today I not use a proper way mic. Why? Because I'm not available for my home and not available to proper time to spend in this speak an English language. So day 13 I am very challenging in my life. Today I learned from my life how to manage my tuition classes and how to improve mathematics in a student and which type of method use of the speed calculation in a daily base. But definitely you are to not a properly and perfection every time. One day you are to 90% and next day is 100% and other day you are 98%. That is the not stage are to 100% pure life spent of your time. That is the reality. And I have not more than time to spend in a English vlog and daily base upload. But at the time my perfection, how to improve. This is my first priority. And today I spend only for 2 minutes. But I am dedicated. I'm not any ask for that is the problem, this problem. I'm not interested. Only for literally I talk to anytime to spend a 2 minute to English vlog. And that is this my stage fear. Okay, and thank you so much. I'm not that is the my mood is not good, so that's why I am not interested for the speak in English. But I am a dedicate. I am disciplined in myself. That is why I upload a 2 minute video in an English vlog. So I'm promise for myself. I'm not cheat for myself. That is the reality of education. Thank you so much, dear.